What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I want to talk about the overall market and break down some things very quickly. Let me first say that I'm not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. Anyways, SPY is looking very, very strong, continuing to break out right over here. You guys can see SPY is trying to get above 497. We'll have to see if it could hold above that, but if it keeps pushing, watch for resistance as we get closer to 497.5. And eventually, if we break that, we could get close to 499. SPY is still looking very strong with a very, very nice push up. So just notes that resistance could get tighter the higher we go, but so far so good. But the reason, or at least one of the reasons I'm making this video is because of Tesla. Tesla, unfortunately, so we got a nice pump at first, right, which is awesome. It reached our price target of 190, but then Tesla got a massive rejection because some bad news came out. Tesla's asking, which jobs are critical, and they're stoking some layoff fears right now. They sent out a single line query for each job after canceling some employees' biannual performance reviews. Some of the people familiar with that told Bloomberg, and the managers are asking whether each employee's positions were critical. This is not the best of news for a company like Tesla. So, with this making all the headlines, Bloomberg News, all these mainstream outlets are saying Tesla may be laying off employees. Tesla stock got a big rejection off of that. Now, we got this push up to 190, which was great. We saw this move coming, it came, but then we rejected so far. We got a back test of the yellow trend line. So we basically rejected off the yellow trend line right here. Then we came back down to back test and we bounced off it. Now we're just kind of shuffling in the 185 area. Make sure you watch support at 184 and 182.5 is going to be our next support below that. And we're kind of shuffling in the 185s. Watch resistance at 186, 188, and then finally 190.5 above that. Those are the ranges essentially. So watch Tesla carefully. It is trying to hold up in the mid 180s, but looking a little bit weak compared to the market because of this bad news. It is what it is, guys. It happens. The QQQ, we broke above 430, looking pretty strong. I told you if we break that, watch 432. That's almost exactly where the QQQ is. If we break that, we could easily push towards 434. That's going to be our next target above that. 434, then 435. So watch 432 for now. It's going to be our resistance to watch for. But as of right now, QQQ is still holding up very, very nicely, showing some strength. And we got this breakout. So good for it, but watch resistance at 432, at least for now. Nvda is still pumping, showing some life, testing the exact level we called out, 692. I told you if we broke out, watch 692. That's where Nvda has been testing resistance. If it breaks this, 700 is the next target. It's a little tough right here. Resistance is tough at 690 to 700. So it might shuffle a little bit, but it's showing some life. So watch it carefully. And for Aapl, same exact thing. Aapl got a little rejection off 191, so it failed to break that to get to 192. Came down, now it's back up to 190, kind of shuffling, so watch that. It's trading sideways. The trend is still pretty good. It's still holding up decently, so we'll see how it does with this inverse head and shoulders like structure. So not bad from Aapl. With that being said, SPY is continuing to break out. We'll see how much higher this thing could go. Make sure you watch the resistance levels I called out, 497.5, then eventually the higher levels. We could even get close to 499. We're still looking very strong. This is helping Tesla rebound, but like I said before, guys, Tesla is not as strong as it could have been because of the bad news. So I just wanted to mention that. So make sure you watch the resistance levels I called it on Tesla. Do what you have to do, guys. I'll see you guys very soon in just a couple of hours. Take care. Tesla, the market to the moon because the long term is still incredibly bright. And peace out.